Alright guys, we're out here with the Ecotric Starfish, the little baby starfish, and we're going to be taking our little 5-mile break-in ride. Yeah, this bike it runs really nice. Now I did figure out something here. On these bikes that have these batteries in here that rattle like crazy, I put stuffed magic erasers down in here, and that stops all that nonsense right there. Dead in its tracks right there. Stuff those magic erasers in there, it's over. The rattling is done. So anyway, yeah, let's go take this baby out for our little 5-mile test ride and see what happens, and I'm going to take it to the trail after that. Alright guys, let's get going. I don't know about this phone holder, it might break. Okay, these things have a habit of breaking. Let's go. We're in pedal assist. I think 1. Yeah. I think the 2 is what you want on this. Well, for going up a hill, that's what you'd want, that's for sure. So yeah, I think we're gonna get a little bit of rain tonight, so let's just get this over with. Okay, so that battery rattling is over. That's not happening. Yeah, that was really annoying, so that's done with. Now we're just gonna have this little bit of phone. I didn't feel like taking the phone holder off my other bike and putting it on here. I don't want no hot spots. This bike will go pretty fast, 20 miles an hour or so. Yep. .6. We're rolling. We're cruising. This bike, you can steer with one hand. Doesn't have that shimmying on there like some of these other ones, these smaller wheeled 14-inch bikes, which all shimmy like crazy. Especially that L3. Oh my God. Thing's horrible. Well, this wind has really kicked up, that's for sure. Let's go get a wing. Yeah, this phone holder, it pops like crazy, makes that popping noise. Can't stand it. Oh, this thing pulls hills real easily, guys. I mean, real easily. I wasn't even giving it any throttle right there, and it was pulling up that hill, no problem. Yeah, this thing pulls 20 miles an hour, no problem at all. Very surprising torque this thing puts out. I'm really surprised, actually, at how fast this thing goes and how it pulls those hills. That's pretty surprising, actually. This has got, what, about a 12 amp hour battery? So I'm anxious to get this to the trail and see what's happening with this thing. Yeah, I'm really curious about that. Let me readjust this phone. I know this phone holder is getting ready to snap. I know it is. Mark my words, this sucker's dying. I can just see it right in there. These things are such junk. These plastic ones. Oh, I found that a new one, that one on Amazon, that steel one. Oh, absolutely. I'm going to order me. Maybe I'll order 2 more of them tonight. Those metal things, they don't rattle, they don't do any of that crap. Okay, we're at 1.6. Something tells me this thing's gonna snap. I don't know what it is, but something tells me this thing's breaking. Okay? Just the way it's wobbling like that is telling me this thing's gonna snap. What are these trucks? Oaks, those are tow trucks for semi-trucks, I guess. Wow. I gotta figure to get a mirror on here. I'm gonna have to move some stuff around. Get rid of that goofy bell or move it to the other side. Then slide the other thing over, the control board, into where the bell is. Well, we made it 2.5 miles already. This seat is extremely uncomfortable. I'm talking extreme, okay? Not a little, extreme. Yeah, this bike here pulls all that little hills right there like nothing. Very nice, very nice. We're at 3.25, 3.25 on the mileage.
Up there.
You know, this bike does pedal nice too, because it does have the derailleur on it, the 7 speeds on there. So you can just pedal up this hill. And you can pedal to Popeye. Pedal to Popeyes. But the Magic erasers are great for that. Rattling. Yeah. Great stuff. .9, 1 mile to go. So I gotta wrap this up here in a minute. 4.3, because I have somebody coming to look at the Heyoke Cheetah today. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna sell it or not, but somebody wants to come and check it out, so I'm gonna let them look at it. Oh, I can see them clouds rolling in. Holy cow. .75. We're almost done. Okay, we're heading our way back. All right, guys, that's a wrap. 5.3 miles. Wow. Super easy with this thing. There it is, right there. 5.3. All right, guys, have a nice day.